What's up? I'm Jackson Hess, and I'll be doing a chem demonstration on decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is a chemical reaction in which a single compound breaks into two or more simpler substances, often requiring an input of energy like heat, light, or even electricity. The general form of decomposition reaction is where a single reactant breaks apart into two or more products. My chem demo is a good example of decomposition reaction because the high heat from burning the fuel causes both the sugar and the baking soda to break down into simpler substances. My expectations for this experiment are that after I light the gasoline, baking powder, and powdered sugar, carbon-like snake will slowly form. So let's get into it. So now we'll be doing our first experiment. So first you need the sand. I already laid that out. Second, you get your lighter fluid / gasoline. You just pour it in the middle. Kinda seems like a lot, but it's okay. And then right here, I got 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1/4 cup powdered sugar. And then you put that on top of the gasoline. It kind of seems like a lot. Okay. Last step, light it on fire. This is kind of crazy. Good thing there's no smoke alarms underneath this. I don't know how I'm gonna put that out. We'll just let it do its thing. Let's get a close up for this though. I see the carbon, that black stuff, that should be the snake forming, but I think it takes a little bit. So we might have to do a little time lapse. So in fact, there is a snake coming, as you can see, but I don't have the patience for that right now. So we're gonna do the second experiment, put it on time lapse, and we'll let that one go for a while, because this takes a little bit of time. If you don't have patience like me, this might be hard. I just threw it outside and it's still burning. That's called gasoline right there. So hopefully this burns out. I'll just throw some snow on it. Part 2 on its way. So I got the pour sanding, and this is example number 2. You get the gasoline in here. This time, I'm gonna be more patient. I made a better pile of sand, so there was poop in the sand. This is from my backyard. Cats poop in it, but we still go. Put the gasoline all over. That looks like a lot, but it's okay. The mixture of baking powder and powdered sugar. This time I didn't put in a good little mound. I'm trying to do that for you this time. Okay. That's a better pour. We're gonna light on this time. Last time was a big kaboom, so we gotta be careful. Should have had safety glasses on, but it's too late. Here we go. Ooh. This one's going on time lapse. This is where I'm gonna end it. Pretty good results. So to recap what happened, the first attempt was not good. I did not give enough time, and the carbon snake did not have enough time to form. But the second time, when I gave it time, it formed pretty good. Not as long as I wanted, but it still worked. So this happens because of the dehydration of the sugar through a chemical reaction involving heat. When the sugar and the baking soda are ignited, the heat causes the sugar to break down into carbon, while the baking soda decomposes into gas like carbon dioxide and water vapor. The gases get trapped within a solid carbon and ash, and as the pressure builds, they push the material upward, creating the snake. Thanks for watching my decomposition reaction chem demo of the carbon sugar snake experiment.